Hey beautiful Hair Lounge community, welcome back to the Hair Lounge. Don't mind my voice. I have laryngitis, but you know what? I always want to show up for you guys, and I have to talk about this product, rice water. You may have seen a little bit floating around about rice water and hair growth. Stay tuned and I'll tell you if it's true and who needs to be using rice water on their hair. Here it is, the rice water that I'm going to be using on my hair. First, let's talk about what rice water is known for. It's known for its protein and vitamins inside the water that makes your hair healthier and stronger. So when people say it helps your hair grow, it's not necessarily that it's making your hair grow, it's just making the hair that you have on your head healthier and stronger, and so it's not breaking, which is a plus when you are trying to grow your hair. Now let's talk about the people who should not be using rice water on your hair. If your hair is super healthy from the start, you do not color it, you do not do any chemical services on your hair, no blonde, no perming, no lightening services whatsoever on your hair. You do not want to use rice water on your hair. You can over strengthen your hair and that will cause breakage. So all my curly haired gals that have drier, damaged hair, rice water is perfect for that. If you notice that your hair is lifeless and your curls aren't as bouncy, they're a little stringy, kind of gummy looking, you may need to start using rice water on your hair. Also, for my people who suffer from scalp issues, whether that's dry, flaking, itching scalp, rice water is great to spray on your scalp, rub in to help strengthen and rehydrate your scalp, which really helps with creating the perfect scalp breeding ground for healthy hair. So you can also use this by spraying it on your scalp if you suffer from that dandruff. Now let's talk about people who have fine hair. Fine hair is a difficult one because it can get overly strong and still break even with using rice water. Sometimes the hair just can't withhold the extra vitamins and the protein that you're putting in it. So if you have super fine hair, I wouldn't suggest using rice water. So rice water is perfect for my already damaged hair, guys or gals that have overly processed hair, dry, brittle cuticles, or my curly haired gals that are suffering from limp, lifeless curls. So let's talk about applying. As you can see, my hair is in a towel because I just got out of the shower and my hair is freshly washed. So it's a perfect time to spray the rice water on my hair. You can also do it on dry hair, but I would suggest the first time you ever use the rice water, do it when your hair is freshly washed and wet. So let's do that now. What's great about this one in particular is it is a spray. It's not necessarily a rinse that you have to wash off, so it's going to sit on your cuticle. This one is by Hair Affinity. As always, I will link everything down in the description box below, so it's super easy for you to find. So we are just going to spray it all over my hair. And comb it through. Like I said, you can just style your hair like normal, but I am going to also use a leave-in spray. You guys know how much I love my It's a 10, so I'm also gonna spray this onto my hair over the top of that rice water. When you first spray the rice water on your hair, it's not going to feel like a leave-in conditioner. So it's not gonna feel soft, silky, smooth, anything like that. Really what it's doing is it's providing the nutrients in your hair that your hair is lacking and kind of filling those gaps in your cuticle. So it needs to be used over time. You're not gonna notice stronger hair or healthier hair until probably about 4 to 6 weeks. So no, this is not going to be instantly like, oh my gosh, my hair feels great and fabulous. You will have to use this for over a month to be able to reap the benefits of stronger, healthier hair. Again, if you're wanting to try to grow your hair, This is why you need to use the rice water. So then it's building a strong, healthy cuticle, so then your hair is not breaking off. Another way you can use this is, say you have curly hair, and once your hair has had product on it and it's kind of looking a little bit more dry, you can spray this on your curls to reactivate it. Hello, Baxter. Baxter wants to know all about rice water with you guys. So the rice water will kind of restyle your hair, kind of get it damp, and you can re-scrunch your hair to have more of that curl definition for second day hair. I will tell you, if you are using rinses and it's not just a hair mist, you may want to use deep conditioner after you do the rice water. Because again, like I said, it's not going to feel soft, silky, smooth after using the rice water. So you may want to incorporate kind of more of a deep conditioning treatment after you use the rice water. I will also suggest that if you are continuing to use rice water for say a month, because you want to get that healthy hair, after you're using it and say the next time you're washing your hair, you do want to remove that coating of rice water off of your hair. Since it is a protein and it has vitamins in it, that is going to fill those gaps. But it doesn't have the moisture that your hair needs, so you need to remove it off of your hair, re-shampoo, recondition after you have sprayed it onto your hair. You don't want to overbuild protein on your hair because, like I said before, it can cause breakage. So spray the hair mist, the rice water on your hair, let it sit. You can go those, few days of not shampooing your hair, but when it's time to shampoo your hair, make sure you are removing the rice water off of your hair with a shampoo or a clarifier, and then reapplying again later on. When you're looking for the perfect rice water for your hair, you want to make sure you're looking at the ingredients. Unfortunately, a lot of products out there will say it is rice water or rice water rinse, but if you're not seeing rice water in the first 5 ingredients on the back of the bottle, you're probably not picking the right stuff. So make sure you look at that ingredient list and you see that rice water is within those first 5 ingredient lists on the back. I will link down some of my favorite rice waters down in the description box below. I'll also do the mist, like what I'm using today, and then I will do a rinse that you're going to rinse off of your hair, just depending on your hair needs. I like the mist because it's super easy. You can leave it on your hair. You don't have to worry about rinsing it off of your hair until you are shampooing again. So I like the ease of the hair mist, but you may like the actual rinse. So I'll go ahead and link both of those down below. If you use rice water right now, leave a comment. Tell me what you love about it, or maybe what you don't love about it, so then the Hair Lounge community can read all of your comments and kind of get tips, tricks, or just some advice on if you like the rice water that you've used on your hair. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for sticking with me with my laryngitis. Like I said, I feel fine, I just sound horrible, but I greatly appreciate your guys' support. If you haven't done so yet, hit that red subscribe button before you leave. And if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps boost my video to other people that are looking for hair strengthening treatments like rice water. Thank you again. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.